Hi, I'm the Happy Cone, and we wanted to show you the correct way for pickup and drop off.
Landon and Lacey Chamberlain, cone 1. Landon and Lacey Chamberlain, cone 1.
So they are going to walk all the way up to cone 1, and their car is going to stop at cone 1. Once it has stopped, they can get in. Now, please notice, and I know it's hard for the little ones, but there are a lot of adults out here who can help open the door and get them in the car. Then if you need to, as you pull away, you can get out and buckle them in. But we need for all parents to stay in their car because it helps with the flow of traffic. You would basically do the reverse for drop off. You pull up to the next available cone and then your student will get out. I recommend my daughter and I always had our little saying that we did, or a special handshake and all that. Do that before you hit the orange cones so they're ready to grab their backpack and be out the door. If they need help getting unbuckled, just roll down your window and let us know, and those of us that are out at the car rider line in the morning will help them get out of the car as well. Hopefully you found this to be helpful, and it'll help because it'll make the lines run so much smoother. So we thank you so much for your help with this, and the Happy Little Cone is signing off.